Hey everyone, how's it going? It's William from Slaterock Automation. I just wanted to take a quick minute here to show you how to connect your accounts. That way we can have the access we need to make sure your project is a success. This tool has been fantastic. We've tested it out many times, and it's way easier to connect everything here than going account by account. For example, in Google, you have Google Search Console, Google My Business, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager. And so instead of going to each one of those accounts individually and sharing access, you can simply sign in here and click off the tools that you'd like to give us access to. So what I'm going to do is dive in, show you how to do that, show you how to submit the connections, and it should take just a few minutes here. So the first step is going to be connecting to Google. So you can simply click sign in with Google here, and a pop-up window will show up. Now, I've previously signed in, and this is my personal account, so it's going to be a little different, but you're going to want to go through and make sure that you're signed in. And let's see. Okay, great. So now you can see once you've signed into the account and enabled all of the permissions, you can see that you have some drop downs here to select accounts. Now, because again, this is my personal account, I'm just using it for the demo here. You'll see on, let's say, the Google Analytics account that on this drop down, there's Slaterock Marketing. Now, what you want to do for each one of these is select the account that's available. Now, there may be a few reasons if you don't see anything here. It just means that the account that you signed in on, the Gmail account you signed in on, is not actually connected or the owner of your Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Business Profile, Google Search Console. So you potentially may have to change the account here. You could click this button and just sign into a different one. But when you do come here, just make sure to select all the accounts. As you can see here that there's Slaterock Marketing. You'll have your Google Business, select that. You'll have your Google Search Console, select that as well. And if you don't have these, we can help you get them set up. Now, the last thing is, let's say you don't have a Google Ads account, you're not going to run Google Ads. To make sure that you don't get any errors, you just want to click opt out here. So for our sake, I'm going to opt out of these other ones because I only have the marketing Google Analytics account connected here. And then the next step is going to be signing in with Meta. You go through the same process. You get to a similar page where you just select the accounts that you want to share access to. And once you're all done, you click Submit Connections, and you should be all set. And you can see here, connection success. So we're all good to go. Thanks, guys. If you have any trouble, please feel free to use the link in the comments or somewhere below this video to schedule a meeting with us, and we'll help you make sure that you have all of the accounts you need and you've provided the correct access to us to make your project a success.